secret to happiness is freedom, and the secret to freedom is courage. Hello everyone, I, Maishadabil Laskar, on behalf of St. Mary's School, wish you a very happy Independence Day. This day is annually celebrated on 15th August to commemorate our nation's independence from the Britishers on 15th August 1947. On this auspicious day, how can we forget our glorious past and immense sacrifices of the innumerable martyrs whose priceless sacrifices laid the foundation of independent India? This year, due to the pandemic, we have been confined to the four walls of our houses. No friends, no schools, and most importantly, no celebrations. But thanks to human brain, we have created various means of communication, and by using these various means of communication, we have commanded life back on track. So today, on the occasion of Independence Day, St. Mary's School presents you a virtual Independence Day celebration. In a short while, to begin this momentous occasion, we will have our prayer song by the school students. I'm sure the song just enlightened all of our minds. Now we will have our traditional flag hoisting ceremony by the school management as a tribute to our motherland, followed by the national anthem.
तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Wow, what can be more energizing than this? Now the school students will present a group song paying tribute to the nation. Thank you students for a beautiful song. Now respected Sir Vishwajit will give us a short message on Independence Day.
Good morning, students. Today I am very happy to deliver a speech on this auspicious day on the behalf of teachers of St. Mary's School. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August every year to commemorate the freedom fighters of India who fought for our independence. In this national celebration day, we should all feel proud to be a part of India. India is an independent nation that gives us the freedom to follow all our rights, including right to education and right to speech. For almost 200 years, we were under British rule. They treated us like slaves, tortured us, and destroyed our valuable resources. But after all the struggles, with the help of our freedom fighter, India fought their rights and freedom. Almost 74 years ago, on 15 August 1947, India finally got independence from British rule. This day teaches us about the power of unity among Indians. Together, we can strengthen our nation for a beautiful future. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. After a soothing and relaxing activity, let's give it a punch. Would it be more better than a dance performance? Now we present you a dance performance by the students of classes 7 and 8.
मारे या कोई मारे ना यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं खुद पे हम नाज है जाने ना हमको ये दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हिंदुस्तानी हमने कहा है, तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग। यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग। धानी पगड़ी पहने मौसम है, नीली चादर ताने अंबर है, नदी सुनहरी हरा समंदर है, देश गीला देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला।
Wow, that is spectacular indeed. Music gives soul to universe, flight to imagination, wings to mind, and life to everything. Presenting this, let's welcome Shujati's hum for a group patriotic song.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। पर्वत को सबसे ऊंचा, हमसाया आसमां का, वो संतरी हमारा, वो कासबा हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। गोदी में खेलती है इसकी हजारों नदियाँ, गुलशन में जिसके दम से रश्के जहां हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। मज़हब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, हिंदी है हम, हिंदी है हम, हिंदी है हम, वतन है हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। सारे जहां से अच्छा, सारे जहां से अच्छा।
Thank you, students. It was indeed a perfect synchronization of music and song. Now, Sandeepan Pal of Class 4 will present a short speech on Independence Day.
Morning, teachers, sisters, and all my dear friends. Today, on the occasion of Independence Day, I am going to tell a short speech about India's independence. So, Independence Day of India evokes feelings of nationalism and brotherhood among the citizens of India. Unlike other festivals, Independence Day is celebrated throughout the country in all the states and union territories of India. People of India pay tribute to the fallen war heroes and freedom fighters. Hosting tricolors and singing the national anthem is at the apex of the celebration. The presidential address on the eve of the Independence Day is thought-provoking and inspirational for the people of India. The whole nation watched the Indian Prime Minister hosting the national flag at the Lahore Gate at Red Fort, New Delhi. 21 guns salute and march past by the armed paramilitary forces is the main attraction. Similar events are held in other states and union territories of India with complete participation of people. In the United States, the day is observed as a Indian Day by the Indians residing there. People of India adorn the tricolor in their houses, tabletops, and vehicles, etc. That's all of my speech. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Sandeepan. It was truly inspiring. Our today's program is not just an occasion, it is a celebration to honor our cultural diversities. Presenting this, let's welcome Jia Devnath of Class 9 with a classical dance performance.
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तो आबाद रहे तो वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन.
Thank you, Jia. That was amazing. Okay, now it's time to dive in the memories of how independent India came into being. I request the director of St. Mary's School to give us a short message on this occasion.
Respected principal, headmistress, staff and students of St. Mary's School, and my dear fellow citizens of India. First of all, I wish you a very meaningful celebration of the 74th Independence Day of our great nation, India. We all know from history that our great freedom fighters, with selflessness, with a great spirit of unity and aspiration, fought the British Empire to obtain freedom of our land and our people. And from history we all know that when the Britishers came to India, they found this land and people very easy targets to be divided and ruled. For the then country kings were so selfish and egoistic, superimposing one on the other, standing one against the other. Seeing this pathetic condition of India, Kavi Guru of our great nation, world-renowned Kavi Guru, Rabindranath Tagore, expressed his aspiration in these words: "Into thy kingdom of freedom, my father, let my country awake. Kobi Guru's aspiration was not just the physical and financial freedom. More than that, the inner freedom which every Indian citizen should bear in himself and herself. And this inner freedom comes only by education that leads to self-awareness. And even through that self-awareness, that we are led to a life guided by wisdom, virtues and values. Since education is closely linked with this freedom, let's all aspire like the Kobi Guru, like the great freedom fighters, aspire for our inner freedom through good education, better education. And through that, let us all aspire to be great nation builders, selfless and patriotic nation builders of the future. Wish you all the best to be so. I conclude these few my words. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. After a soothing and relaxing activity, let's give it a punch. Would it be more better than a dance performance? Now we present you a dance performance by Mahir and Hasina of class 10.
केसरी रंग सजाया है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू.
Now we will have a short dance by Parinita Das of class 4.
जैसा कोई नहीं है अस्सी नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है नहीं कहे तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं मैं गाया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही Yeah.
girls. That was really good. Now, as we have reached the end of our program, I would request Ms. Bandana Chakravarti to present vote of thanks.
As we have reached the end of our program, I, Ms. Bandana, on behalf of St. Mary's School, proposes a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who really worked hard to make this Independence Day celebration happen. I hope all of you have enjoyed your program. Once again, Happy Independence to all of you. Thank you.